in today's gold analysis on weekly time frame, we have this level of resistance for the price. As you can see, the price got rejected 2 times from this level, and it is actually some people actually say that gold price or XAU USD price gonna see a new all-time high, okay? But I don't believe that. You know why? I have my reasons, technical reasons. First, we have this strong resistance for the price, okay, and the price started going up. It didn't touch it, but started falling from there, okay. And we have some shadows from upside, 1 2 3 4 5 shadows from upside, showing that the price is getting weaker in these levels, okay. So right now we have 2 actually reasons to enter sell position, and also our RSI or relative strength index is making some lower lows, okay, or let me say, yeah, it is actually lower high or lower low. Come on, I don't know. And you know that the structure is important. The price has divergence in it, okay, like this one, and the price is making higher high, okay, and it is a divergence in the weekly time frame. And our reason for, or fourth reason, can be break of the trend line on the daily time frame. Let me close RSI. Break of this trend line, which has lots of touches on that. With the break of this to the downside, we can have our fourth confirmation to enter a long-term sell position on gold, okay, or XAU USD. So if this trend line can be broken to the downside, our long-term sell position is gonna be opened, okay. So be careful and watch the market in the next days, because today's candle is likely to break this trend line, okay. Let's check 4-hour time frame to see what is going on. You know, on 4-hour time frame we also had a trend line here, okay, which I had just deleted that because I think it is not useful anymore. We had it here, okay. I told you that we can enter buy position here, got reward, and also here, somewhere here, but right now I think it is not useful, okay. So I'm gonna delete that. Instead, I drew a new support for the price. The price touches this level 2 times and starts going up, okay. But we didn't enter buy position here, but if you have entered based on this candle, it's okay, because it is a stop loss. It is not the end of the world. Our stop loss could be touched here by this candle right now, but it is a signal to enter sell position if this can close like this after an hour and 18 minutes, okay, because we are breaking this support, and also with the break of this trend line on the daily time frame, not any other time frames, just daily time frame, okay, because it can be a fake breakout and start going up again, okay. With the break of this trend line, I told you that we can have our long-term sell positions opened on gold. Let's check 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, I don't see anything special, and you know why the price moved like this to the upside is because we had a news on. It is not clear on the time, okay. I'm gonna show you on 5-minute time frame. It will be more clear. On 1-hour time frame, I don't see anything special. Let's check 15-minute time frame. In 15-minute time frame, if you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we can enter sell position with the break of this trend line to the downside. So you could enter sell position here, put your stop loss somewhere safe, and look for your reward. And right now we must be in profit, because the price started falling too much, and it gives us our reward 4 or 5, okay, risk to reward 4 or 5 somewhere here, okay, which is really nice. And right now on 15-minute time frame, again, I don't see anything special. The price is just breaking this support to the downside, okay. It is in transition. You can't analyze the market when it is in transition. It is not making any patterns or anything, okay. We had our support broken to the downside. We are just waiting for this daily trend line to be broken to the downside, that we can have our long-term sell positions opened. Let's go to 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, again, I don't see anything special. As I told you, we are in transition and the price is not making any patterns, okay. and but I can draw a trend line like this, which is not useful, I believe. Come on, no, come on, let me delete this one. I hate these kind of trend lines. Yeah, let's go to 1 minute time frame. On 1 minute time frame, we can actually draw this level of support for the price, and the price is breaking this support to the downside again. And you know, because we are in a strong downtrend on silver and gold, okay, and the price of metals are falling too much, and if we are looking for some positions, we're gonna just look at some sell positions, okay, and nothing else. If you have watched my previous analysis, let me find it for you. I told you that we have a triangle for the price on 1 minute time frame. If I can find it for you, it is there. I told you that we have this triangle for the price. With the break of this to the downside, we can have our sell position opened here with a stop loss above the candles, and like this one, and look for your reward, which the price starts falling and gives us a reward of something around 8, which is fantastic, really great, okay. And after that, the price gets range here, and then it starts going up, okay. Risk to reward 8 is really nice. You know, it means that we can lose 8 positions in a row, okay, and you know, at the end it will be equal, because you have actually won a position with a actually reward of 8, and you're gonna lose the positions with a stop loss of 1, okay, and it is really nice. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of gold or XAU USD. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.